Welcome back. Today we're going to run through the leg press. The leg press is an awesome exercise for developing your quads. The leg press is also awesome for getting an extra squat volume without having to load your back. So if you're in a squat program and your spine, your low back is kind of fatigued and you're just like, you're feeling the effects of lots of squatting volume, you could substitute some leg press to make up some of that volume. Ideally in a leg press, you're trying to get as much knee flexion as possible. So that's as much knee bending as possible. The primary goal of this version of a leg press is to develop the tops of your thighs, which are your quads. As with every video, I'm going to tell you to standardize your depth. So you're trying to go deep every single time. So rep number 1 looks the same as your final rep of the set. Doing this ensures that you can track progress as you go. So if you start by going deep in your leg press, but then the ends of your set, you start to cut depth, how do you track that on your sheet for progress? Well, you really can't. So if you standardize your repetitions, you can legitimately track your progress over time. The point of the leg press is to stimulate growth, not to haul heavy freaking weights. So I know how fun it is to stack a ton of weight on and have all your buddies slap you on the back and be like, let's go, we're gonna lift 1,000 pounds. But the point is to grow your quads. And to do so, you need to go deep. You need to do the same thing every single time. So don't throw your feet super high on the platform. You're basically gonna drop those feet as low on the platform as you can go without losing contact in your heel. So try and keep your heel down on that leg press, going low and getting lots of bend through the knees. Using squat shoes can really be helpful in this movement because it's going to allow a heel lift so you can move your feet down the platform just a little bit, which will add to more emphasis on the quads. Squat shoes are really helpful because they improve your dorsiflexion, the ability to bend at the ankle. So if you find that you're limited by your ability to bend at the ankle, go do our ankle mobility video and improve your freaking ankle mobility. That's the root of the issue. That's how you actually improve this movement, as with a lot of your major strength movements. So make sure your heel is kept down on every single rep, your toes are barely tipped out, and the power is through the tops of your thighs. That is your leg press video. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to the page. Make sure you check out rapidfitnessonline.com for more awesome content, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe, you know what to do. Smash it! Smash it! Come on, smash it!